Hi guys, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to batch resize your photos using Photoshop. And all you need to do is go to File and then Scripts, Image Processor. And all you need to do is select the folder where it has your photos, where you've stored it. So I've selected the folder already. And then you have to select a destination. So I'll just create a new folder here. I'll just call it test reduce pics, and then just click open. So your source is set, the output folder is set, and then what you can do is start adjusting some of the settings. So you could do a custom width, or you can set the quality. So I'm just going to leave it as the default. So this will typically reduce the file size of, say, a 25 meg photo down to about 2.5 meg. So next, what you'll do is just click run, and it's going to go through the different pictures. So that's going to run in the background. What I'll do is I'll show you the files that are starting to process already. So this is the original files. So I'll just open one up and show you. So this is 11.2 meg. And if we go into the reduced sizes, there's the same one. And just open up the information. There you go, 1.3 meg. So it's reduced down by about 90%. So that's much more manageable. It's still going to be high quality for your website or social media, but it's going to be a lot more manageable. Thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.